This is a quick introduction to the Navigata Mark II, just to show you how quick and easy it folds. So first folding point on the handlebar is the locking latch. Press the button, remove the locking latch, and then there's a secondary lock on the front of the stem. Press that, the handlebar drops down. Release the riser, stem riser latch, just to manoeuvre the handlebars sufficiently so it locks into the front forks. Once it's in place and secure, lock the latch. Next, for the locking the pedals, just push and turn. Same with the other side, push and turn. Then we go to the main hinge, a little safety latch, pull that up and pop open the latch. After the latch, then kickstand up, and simply lift and lock the back wheels in. And last of all, reduce the footprint even further, unlock the seat stem, drop the seat and tighten it back up. So this is how quick and easy it is. Once you get familiar with the folding, how simple, easy to fold it is.